For those using or looking to use Dynamics 365 Business Central to help manage production schedules, then look no further than the MxAPS app from InsightWorks. In this video, we'll take a brief look at managing fractional labor when there isn't enough staff available to run at full capacity. Having enough production orders to maximize your manufacturing equipment utilization rate is not a bad position to be in, unless you don't have enough staff to manage all of your equipment. When you lack the labor to work your equipment, MxAPS will use fractional labor models. For example, you may have enough orders to run on 6 machines. However, you only have enough labor to operate 3 machines. In this case, MxAPS will constrain production orders to the resources available. With MxAPS, you will regularly create realistic production schedules without relying on people to understand all of the scheduling details. MxAPS is chock full of features like managing fractional labor. To learn more, check out the MxAPS website or reach out to your Microsoft partner. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great content.